Good morning, guys. I am so excited to go shopping later. I've just been kind of eyeing up my hot cocoa bar, trying to figure out what all I want. I think I need some sort of shelving type thing that will sit on the counter. I'm not sure yet, but let me show you my hot mess of a cocoa bar. It definitely needs some work, so hopefully we can pull this together and make it look super cute and functional. Also, I need to show you what I got with Amazon yesterday. It was delivered and it's so cool. This is what I got, an electric kettle. And I absolutely love the LED light. I don't know, there's just something cool about it. I got it heating up some water right now for me. And yeah, it heats up so quickly. It's a Kosori or something like that. I feel like it said it somewhere on here. Oh yeah, it's back here where the plug comes out. Anyway, that is the brand, Kosori. And I really haven't had a long time to use it. Actually, this is just the second time plugging it in. So I will have to use it a few times before I can recommend it, but I will link it for you. I have known somebody else who has one and they love it, and that's why I chose this one. Here is my sorry hot cocoa bar. I want to use my tier tray that I got from Hobby Lobby over the summer, and then I don't know what to do with all of this stuff. See what I'm talking about? I feel like I need like some sort of shelving thing where I can do like a double decker, either there or like over here against the white fridge, and then I'll just shift all of those down. I don't know, it's still kind of a work in progress and a hot mess. Just trying to figure out what I want to get today.
Lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you.
I'm just on here scrolling Pinterest trying to get some ideas, and that is super cute. I love the tiered effect going long ways instead of like round, so I'm loving that. I also like that shelf idea. That might be something I can do. I don't know, there's like super cute ideas on here. Just trying to get it to work for me and my situation. Escaped. Grandpa is on baby duty, so I could go get my shopping done before it gets too dark. It'll probably still be dark because it gets dark so early anymore. But I am about to head into town. Shelby and I are going to meet at Target, but Bath and Body Works is having their annual really good candle sale starting today, which is Friday. You guys are seeing this Saturday, and I believe it's going through, the sale's going through till Sunday. So you guys should check them out. They have the best smelling candles ever. So of course we have to go by the Hearth and Hand area in Target. Look at these, oil and vinegar, $13 for both of these. That is glass and like a coppery color. It's so pretty.
We found some good stuff at Target.
I mean, I have just found some good stuff.
Oh, here we go. This is what we need, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Trail mix.
Yes,
what?
look at, hold on, look at all of this trail mix.
Oh, it's $10. Oh my gosh.
But look at how much you get, and look at how good it is.
It's yummy.
Okay, so we found that, but I don't see, we need hot chocolate stuff, Mom.
I know.
We need chocolate, Mom. Let's see. Anyone see anything good?
Ooh, Cherry Jubilee.
Oh, really? Oh, look, it's popular. There's not many left. You know, Kyla would love that.
Yeah, well, so does
So does
So does
Mom.
Mom.
Oh, look how cute these baskets are.
Oh, what a cute gift.
Yeah, they're not bad either. They're on sale.
So cute. That'd be cute hostess gift.
Here,
Anyone's doing that.
let me get out of the way. Oh,
I think I want some.
yes, you do that. I want some chocolate covered cherries.
Well, we'll have some of these when we get in the car.
Okay. Yum, look at those. Okay, if we're sleeping on anything, you guys let us know. What should we buy?
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them elves. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me, as tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess we're shapes that go together. Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them elves. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm coming home. Yes, it's true. One more Christmas to be with you. Yes, I'll be right there by your side, making you ready for your sleigh bell ride. Santa, hold on. No, I will never leave you on Christmas Day. So hold.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
I am back home now and I have a little mini haul for you. We picked these up at Target. Those looked so yummy. Yeah, let me turn them around so you can see. This one's amaretto hot cocoa. I thought that sounded so good. And then candy cane. And then we got some of these little mints and some of those, the baking chips, but we're just gonna sprinkle them in our hot chocolate. I think that would be so cool. And this is all I picked up at Marshall's, these mini grams, but they looked super yummy. And then also these coffee caramels. How cool are those? I have never seen anything like that before, so I want to give those a try, and I'll let you know if they are any good. Oh, also at Target, I needed some makeup, so you know. And of course, we had to go into Bath and Body Works, and I ended up getting 5 of their candles because I had a couple coupons, and I got some lotion for free. So I picked up the warm vanilla sugar. And here are the scents that I got in my candles. Cinnamon caramel swirl, fresh balsam, sweater weather, Mary cookie. I love the packaging on that one. And then the crushed candy cane, which smells amazing. And then we ended up going to Hobby Lobby because I wanted that shelf idea that I had talked about earlier. And I found this one, and they were 50% off this week. So I'm going to try to use that and then like put different canisters and containers and things like that, like all sprinkles. I think that would be super cute. I found some of these spoons for the hot cocoa, and even some of these like takeaway cups. I'm not even sure what they're called, but just coffee cups. I think that'd be cute. Like if we go out Christmas light looking or something, we can take some hot cocoa with us. And then I got some of this baker's twine, and I thought that would be super cute to wrap around some of the jars for the hot cocoa bar. So yeah, that is my haul. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the little mini haul and the shopping trip. It was a lot of fun. Stores are a little bit busy, so we tried to go down aisles that weren't so bad. I'm still not really finding exactly what I'm after for the hot cocoa bar. I was kind of looking for some of the pretzel rods, the spoon stirrers, you know, things like that. So we may try and DIY those ourselves. That way you guys can do that too if you're interested. Please give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. I think tomorrow we might be working outside using some of the live greenery and making the outside of my house look a little more festive. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.
Sing choirs of angels, sing in exultation, sing all ye citizens of